Church Santa Lucia in Napoli, Santa Lucella. Above we have few skulls, and one of these is the so-called skulls with the ears. All around we see ex voto, people whose prayer were answered. They offer a representation of the gift received. In old times they were in silver, but now I think they also do in less expensive metals.